Introducing the LSRK Retrofit Kit from Columbia Lighting. The LSRK is designed for easy installation and can convert fluorescent strip lights to energy-efficient LED strip lights in less than 5 minutes. Your LSRK will come pre-wired and ready to assemble and can be purchased with or without a lens. Remember that every energy project starts with preparation and includes proper cleanup, recycling, and disposal. First, make sure the power to the fixture is turned off. Use a lockout tag as an added safety precaution. You'll also want to wear an ESD bracelet or gloves and avoid touching the LED light engine during installation. Remove and discard the lamps, ballast covers, brackets, old ballast, and sockets from the existing fixture. Using the provided self-tapping tech screws, install the safety cable to the top of the existing fixture. Then install the ground wire. Wire incoming power to the included disconnect to power the LED driver. Using the supplied tech screws, screw through the sides of the kit into the existing fixture body. Check your work. Then, return power to the fixture to reveal your new energy-efficient strip light. If your LSRK was purchased without a lens and end caps can quickly and easily be installed in the field. Snap the end cap onto the end of the plate. If desired, you may install a screw for added stability. Repeat on the other side. Fit the lens underneath the end cap on one side, then snap the lens into place along the length of the channel. Carefully adjust the lens to center it between both end caps. Step back and enjoy your new lensed LSRK.